Hey guys, today I'm combining some Southern spice with some healthy greens to bring you a quick and easy recipe that you can use for meal prep this week. While meal prepping can seem tedious, it can actually be quite simple. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the Southwest Chicken Burrito Bowl, a healthy version that takes about 20 minutes to make. It's very, very simple. All the ingredients you can get for about $50, and not only is it a simple recipe to make, it's gonna last you throughout the week. So you're gonna have about 4 to 5 meals that you can readily have available at any time of the week. And that's gonna really keep you on track with your fitness goals and get you shredded like you wanna be shredded. Where did that come from? So the first thing we want to do is make our rice. We're going to cook the whole thing and then we're going to portion it out into, I think, probably 5 different meals, and I'll have that breakdown for you when we get to that point. So it's easy just to cook this whole packet and weigh everything out once everything is cooked and packed together. So let's get to it, making this whole thing, and it's going to take about 20 minutes. All right, once we have everything cooked and ready to go, we're gonna put everything together into a nice packaging like this. We have the kale, the cherry tomatoes, the corn, and the chicken and beans all over our bed of rice at the bottom. So I'm gonna take you through step by step the process of putting it together. So we're gonna start with 250 grams of rice at the base of our container. A little overboard there. Perfect. Next, you're going to add a layer of kale on one side of the container. And I'm not gonna actually measure this. I'm not gonna count it in the calories because it's very low on calories. Mostly micronutrients is what we're using this for. And we're not using very much, so there's no need to calculate it. So we're gonna add about 5 tomatoes. I'm gonna put those in the middle here. And I'm going to do a half a cup of corn. Just right on the rice. And then going to do a half a cup of black beans. And I'm mixing up all my ingredients here using the same measuring cup just because it's all gonna get mixed together anyway, so I'm not really worried about that. And then the final ingredient, our protein. We're gonna use our chicken here, and we're going to use 5 ounces of chicken, which is about 40 grams of protein. And there you have it. Now, if you want, here's where you can add those tortilla chips. That'll just make a little bit more texture to your dish, and gonna provide a little bit more fat, more calories, but if you do it lightly, it's not gonna be too bad for you. So you can maybe just, if you wanna like crush them on top. You know, add a little bit, not too bad. And if you want to add any more seasoning, now's the time. You have it, you have a meal prepped meal.